This is what's going on tonight at the Northview versus Seymour game at the Northview Colosseum. And I'm your host, Ron Burgundy. I'm Ron Burgundy. Today I'm here with
Officer Bell.
And Officer Bell. Who do you think's gonna win the game tonight?
Northview, of course.
Good
Go
option.
Cougars.
Good option. I'm Ron Burgundy. Today I'm here with
Jonas McCarter.
Jonas. Who do you think's gonna win the game tonight?
I think Northview will win the game tonight.
Oh heck yeah! That's what we like to hear and hope.
Yeah.
Have any other thoughts?
Monday, you guys should go to the school store. I mean, it's so good. We got a lot of stuff, Little Debbie's, everything. Like, you should come Monday. Show up.
I'm Ron Burgundy.
And I'm Hannah Stevens.
Hannah, who do you think's gonna win the game tonight? First off.
Come here. These Cougars are gonna demolish the Eagles!
And what do you think the score might be?
100-0!
Cut the camera. I'm Ron Burgundy. Today I'm here with
Maggie Maples.
Maggie, who do you think's gonna win the game tonight?
Probably us. I hope so.
Heck yeah. That's the spirit, you know?
If our band has anything to say about it, at least.
Exactly. Here's kickoff. I'm Ron Burgundy. Today we have
Wait.
Who do you think's gonna win the game tonight?
The Seymour Eagles.
Heck yeah. Scoreboard real quick.
What do you have to say about that?
I think he's wrong. This is the school store. Jonas isn't here. It's fake. Fake news. This is fake too. I don't see Jonas back there. We have a beautiful sunset on this beautiful day with a beautiful game. Take a look at that. It's amazing. Or, wow. As almost, I hate lines. Today, we're gonna try out these churros.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Number 24, Ryan Gibson.
They're not bad.
Pretty
They smell
good.
pretty good too. Here, cameraman.
Thank
you.
35-yard line.
Very good.
What's
It tastes
your
like
rating?
funnel cake.
Okay, thank you, cameraman.
You're
I'll
welcome.
give this a 7 out of 10. Pretty good.
You should buy like 20 of these. You should just buy everything that they have. These are the best churros I've ever had in my life. That's coming from Mr. Puckett from Northview Academy's live stream in TV News.
I'm Ron Burgundy. Today, I'm here with Steve. He's selling t-shirts tonight. You mind telling us a little bit about them?
Yes, we're selling the Northview Academy t-shirts football team, and we only have a few sizes left. We got to get rid of them so we can get new stock in. We're losing. That means we got to sell shirts. When we sell shirts, that means energy. Energy means touchdowns, and we win. So come on, do it. Thank you.
Of course. Hey, I'm Ron Burgundy. Tonight, I'm here with
Savannah Clifford.
Savannah. Who's your favorite player on the team tonight?
Number 10, Calvin Ferguson. He's my man.
Heck yeah, I see that.
Give me a high five.
Here's the Northview Academy Cougars halftime show. You can catch the rest of it on the Northview Academy YouTube page. I'm Ron Burgundy. Tonight we have
Emma DeGree.
Emma, I see that you have been like directing the band and stuff. How's that going for you?
Pretty good. The arms hurt a little bit, but you know, it's going good. They did really good tonight.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
So, you think you'll see more of the band, good energy in the coming games?
Every week, we bring the energy to the football games, right? Because we are bad mama jammas.
Heck yeah. I'm Ron Burgundy. We're back with Tara Williams tonight. Tara, how do you feel about us winning so far?
Feels pretty great. You know, first one of the season. I'm super excited. Our student section is going on fire.
Seymour, number 77,
Did you get my handstand?
There's this kid, he's walking around cotton candy. And I really wanted to interview him. But he said no. She said yes though. Good?
Yeah.
That's a winter school. Heck yeah.